So we have these mass vaccination sites primarily to serve the agricultural community. Some have been at the radio grounds in Salinas, and some are here at the fairgrounds in King City. Now we're expecting to have about 1,000 people here today, primarily to receive their second dose of the Moderna vaccine, and then we're also getting some initial doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine as well. While over here we have the area where the patients wait after they've received their vaccine, because they need to be observed for 15 minutes after, and there'll be myself and another physician there observing them in case anyone has a rare risk of any complications or anything like that. We'll be there to assist if they need us, and just make sure they've waited for their observation period after the vaccine, and then they're allowed to leave after that. These vaccines have been tested. They've been administered to millions of people worldwide with very, very low risk of any side effects of any kind, other than just sort of usual, achy, body aches, a little bit of fever, chills, arm pain where you get the vaccine, but nothing major.